I'm Olivia Saez. We're going to make a salad with glazed walnuts, feta cheese, and baked apples. A really super sweet but unbelievably delicious salad. The feta is super salty, so it really combines well with the sweetness of the walnuts and the apple. So what we're going to do is add about a half a cup of shelled and chopped walnuts to our frying pan, and then a couple tablespoons of honey over these walnuts. And what we'll do is we'll set our temperature to medium-high heat and allow the pan to start really heating up and the honey to start melting. And once we've done that, you'll really see the honey is sort of melting over the walnuts, and we'll just toss very frequently the walnuts until they're completely coated. Once the walnuts are coated and the honey is nice and melted, we'll turn off our heat, and then we'll transfer this to a piece of foil to let the walnuts cool. They really need to cool completely before you handle them or add them to your salad, so they really become a nice glazed walnut. So to assemble our salad, once our walnuts are nice and cool, we'll take some mixed greens. We'll put on our favorite dressing. I love this raspberry homemade dressing that I made. And then we'll add the baked apples. Once we've done that, we'll add our feta, nice sprinkle of the salty cheese, and then we'll take our walnuts as well and sprinkle them over the top. And you have your salad.